So, welcome to my channel. It's been a super long time coming, and I was going to wait until I was done with my new job and location, but I got tired of waiting. So, I'm just going to do kind of like a quick get ready with me. Nothing really special. I just wanted to upload, honestly. But yeah, so I guess stay tuned and see what I do. So first, I take my NYX eyebrow pencil, and I believe it's in the shade Espresso. And it's usually a lot darker, but for some reason I think it's just because I've been wearing it down, using it a lot. So I'm actually gonna fill my brows with my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna use the black shade that is in there to fill them and set them. I've never set my brows before, and my mom actually considered, like, she was like, you should really try it, it makes a difference. So I actually did. I don't use any brow gel, and there's a black shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and you're gonna see that it like transforms my brows. I loved it. And for my primer, I used the Hangover primer by Too Faced, and I had recently bought it. I've only used it a few times. It's not bad. It usually keeps my makeup on for a really long time. I showed all of my concealers. I ended up my under eye concealer. I used my Nars. I actually don't know what shade it is in, but I like that it's lighter underneath. I actually should have put more for my eyeshadow, and then on top I used my Shape Tape by Tarte, and I think it's the shade Rich. And then for my foundation, I use Too Faced Born This Way. I really like Too Faced and Tarte. Too Faced Born This Way, the new shade by Jaclyn, I Am Spice Rum. And then I go and I blended some off camera because that beauty blender was just trash. It was canceled. So it took me a really long time to blend that down. And you can see I had kind of messed up on my brows, so I had to fix them. I used my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I don't know which one. I know she has 4, but I almost forgot to set my concealer before I went in, so I set it with my Huda Beauty Sandalwood, and I took Rush, and it's like the orange color in there, and I did it right on my crease, and I just tried to pack it on and blend it. Like I said, if I would have used more concealer, you would have been able to see it a little better, but I actually didn't mind it being so subtle because I had nowhere to go, so I wasn't trying to be like extra dramatic with the eyeshadow. And then I took a mugshot to make it a little darker, and it just was not happening. So I went with my 350M palette from Morphe, sorry, and I took a darker brown. I just switched brushes and really got it in there in my crease. And I believe I'm gonna go back with that Rush and just make sure it's blended out real nice. And then I'm gonna take my creaseless concealer from Tarte, and this concealer actually like pretty much matches my foundation, which I actually kind of liked because I wasn't like trying really hard for a cut crease, not anything too serious. So if I messed it up, I didn't want to be like I could not find my lip liner, and then I used the NYX Lingerie. I cannot think of the shade. I have no idea, but so everyone, this is the completed look. It was quite a struggle. Please ignore my son in the background. I wanted him to come over there and he was just being so mean. But I really hope you guys like it. I didn't use any lashes. I didn't need any. I felt like I didn't need any. I mean, it was just a like quick get ready, like something light, but nothing too serious. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and share this video and keep watching.